What's up, everybody? Welcome to Elevated Armory. Today, I'm very excited about this one. Today we have the Shadow Systems. This isn't going to be a true unboxing because it's not brand new. I bought it used off a gun broker. It's too good of a deal to pass up, so I had to take it. But it did come with this little range bag. Nice bag. These are two 17-round Magpul PMags that came with it. They're loaded now with the Hornady Critical Duty. So let's take those out and get those away. And there she is. Magazine. There's no magazine. Chamber's empty. So this is the Shadow Systems XR920 Elite. This has the Trijicon RM06 red dot on it. Came with it. I bought the gun exactly like this. It had this little grip tape on it. Whoever had it put this on here. It's not bad. I kind of like it. I haven't decided if I wanted to take it off or not, so I just left it. It did have a Timony trigger installed already, and of course the threaded barrel. You see these nice top serrations here. The little window. Spiral fluted barrel. Just overall, this gun is beautiful in my opinion. See, there's a dot there. It gives you a nice co-witness with the blacked out rear sight. There's your slide release, slide lock, slide release. Nice trigger pull. It came with the Shadow Systems magwell in it, already on it, I should say. When you buy these new, they come with interchangeable back straps. Mine didn't come with it, but you can easily order it from Shadow Systems website. I like the stippling on the grip here, without even counting this grip tape. Just this, the factory stippling is really nice. And these here, the little gas pedals, I love these. Really helps you get a really good grip. They even got your stippling here on the front of the trigger guard, and these little cuts underneath the trigger guard. Really helps you get a nice good solid grip on the gun. I'm lefty, but just overall the look of it, I mean, it's a thing of beauty. They did a really nice job with these pistols. I'm very impressed. There's your mag release. This is really great. These Trijicon sights, they're definitely worth the money. Even got a little front rail here, mounting lights and accessories and shit. The slide cuts overall are really nice. I'm not going to show you how to take the slide off because YouTube cries about that. comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like my content. Leave a comment, let me know what you want to see. You know, if you got any tips or cool accessories that I should try out, let me know. I definitely love to check them out. I love tinkering with shit, so any kind of accessories and new, you know, new add-ons to these are always fun to play with. So let me know what you guys have. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one.